Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video from your girl Kissy, and today I'm going to cook for you curry chicken. So I'm going to show you how I wash my chicken and how I season my chicken. So I'm going to wash it with some vinegar, and then I'm going to use some lemon also to wash it to get out the rawness and the slime. So these are the season that I'm gonna put on my my chicken. So I have my bell peppers, my red, my orange, and my green. I have some scallion, I have some thyme, and I have a pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic. So I'm gonna wash all my seasoning and I'm gonna put it on my chicken. I'll be right back. So the seasoning that I'm gonna put on my curry chicken today, I'm gonna put some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder. Even though I put the garlic peg already in it, I'm gonna put some powder. I'm gonna put this inside of it. This is an all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put some roasted garlic seasoning. I'm gonna put some meat seasoning, and I'm gonna put some jerk seasoning. I love jerk seasoning. I don't know why, but I love jerk seasoning. And here is my curry, my Better Pack curry. It's from Jamaica. Best curry ever. And also I'm gonna add some ground pimento into it also. So all my seasonings are in right now. So I'm gonna rub it in right now inside the meat, and I'm gonna let it marinate until tomorrow. So that's my curry chicken I season up. So I'm gonna cook it and let you guys see how I cook my chicken, my curry chicken. Welcome back. I already show you guys how I clean my chicken and how I season my chicken. So over here my chicken is already marinated, and over here I have some oil, and I'm gonna put my chicken in a few. So I'm gonna show you how I cook my curry chicken. So now I put the chicken in the pot. I'm gonna leave it there for maybe like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my water to it and let it boil down a little before I put in the seasoning and my carrot and my Irish potato. So guys, I have the curry chicken on the fire, so I'm gonna let it stay here for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my water in, and then I'm gonna add my seasoning, like my peppers, my onion, my scallion, and my carrots and my Irish potato. So I'm gonna eat my curry chicken with some rice. Over here I have some rice, so I'm gonna wash my rice twice. Most people, they cook their rice, they don't wash it, but I have to wash my rice, so I wash my rice twice. So I wash my rice and I have it in the rice cooker. So I had some scallion, I had some onion, so I'm gonna put some butter, and I'm gonna put a tip of salt. So my curry chicken is making its own water, so I'm gonna add a little water to it, and then I'm gonna add my seasoning in. That's my rice in the rice cooker. That's it. So I had my seasoning in, so I'm gonna let it boil now and cook. So I put in my peppers, my onion, my scallion, my thyme, and my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna let it boil now, and then after I'm gonna put in, when it boils a little, I'm gonna put in my carrots and my Irish potato. So you see my curry chicken is boiling. So that's how I cook my curry chicken. So I'm gonna let it stay and boil for a bit, because you know curry, it has to cook properly. If it doesn't cook properly, it can hurt your stomach. So you see guys, the curry chicken is boiling. It's not ready yet, it's still boiling. So right now I had some carrots and some Irish potato. So I'm gonna let it stay there and boil down a little until it makes its own gravy. Yeah, that's how I made my curry chicken. So it's boiling down to a gravy. The potato and the carrots are a little cooked, so I'm leaving it like for maybe 10 more minutes and let it boil down a little bit more. So what I put in my curry chicken, I put a basic season like all-purpose season, I put meat season, I put a little garlic powder, I put some jerk season, and I use my Better Pack curry, and I put some thyme, scallion, onion, sweet peppers, and scotch bonnet peppers. So my rice is finished cooked. guys, as you can see, my curry chicken boiled down to a gravy. You can see it. So my curry chicken is finished cooked. So I'm going to plate it and let you guys see the finishing touch. So guys, that's the finishing of my curry chicken. So I have it with some white rice, some broccoli, and some lettuce. So that's the finishing. So you guys can like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification button so you guys can know when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and that's how I cook my curry chicken.